welcome on my channel. Nice to meet you, and thanks to check my first video. You probably click on the video because of the thumbnail or because of the title, but as it is the first video of the channel, I will probably just present myself and explain a bit what I will do with that channel and the reason of this channel. So if you want to skip, you can skip the first 5 minutes of the video probably, where I will explain all of that and directly go to the content of the video. I do the channel for a simple reason, for personal branding. I am a serial entrepreneur. I have multiple SaaS mobile app with some games, some B2C, some B2B. We will have time to talk about that during the various videos. The plan of this channel is to do some building public, as I am doing a lot of new projects with AI and everything, who allow you to give directly live to an idea to a real project in really few time. I think it's really interesting to do video for that if you want to check how we create a full product from 0 to 1. And so we'll speak about everything: how I think an idea, how I challenge an idea, how I think about the marketing and the potential sales I can do. Because before to develop a project, I want to think how I will be able to probably sell it or marketing it. And after also how I code it with VS Code and Claude Code, because I'm using AI obviously for coding. It's just amazing. So you'll see all the process, all the project. We'll talk about everything. I will explain you my choice. We will see the data and everything. We will follow the project. So that is the goal of the channel, and the reason of that and why I decided to do personal branding, because I hate it. I hate marketing, I hate sales, I hate that moment now to be talking about in video and everything and presenting my project. I'm some guy who just do my things, sell it, and I'm in the high, it's good. But last week I created a Labyrinth app. It's a Labyrinth gaming. It's Labyrinth Treasure Pirates on the stores if you want to check. It's just a classic, basic labyrinth where you have a full map of labyrinth, but you just see 9 tiles, and you move your character to find a treasure. And after, you need to do it in less move and less time possible. For example, I did that project, but as I don't have community, I don't have personal branding, I am not able to directly share it with all the people I can and everything. And I think it's a loss, clearly. When I see some YouTube channel with game developer and everything who are doing some stupid game just for fun and everything, and directly have instant 10,000 downloads just because people want to try it and everything, it's really good. And I think the personal branding can be an investment interesting, because with the AI now, it's really easy to develop a project, to have a new project and to create it. So if you have a community and you can directly show them what you are doing, and they can taste it, install it and everything, register just to try it, and it's instant marketing to check if it's an interesting product or not. For the labyrinth, for example, I will now need to do marketing, ads and everything to check if some people want to play it and everything. And it's time I can save with the personal branding. That's why I create a channel. I will create an Instagram, I will create a LinkedIn, I will create about a TikTok page too. We will see. But that's the goal of this channel. And I will post a lot of videos, I think, because I am posting what I am doing. I am posting marketing, dev and everything, so no reason to don't do a lot of videos. And I will probably cut all these videos to do some shorts and everything for the marketing and develop my personal branding. We will see. The goal of that, the end goal of this channel, is also to be able to have a visibility, a good visibility, enough visibility to be able to do podcasts. But for that, I want to do podcasts with good guests, you see. For example, I have a lot of questions for the top high people in the gaming industry, and I would love to ask them a lot of questions, how they test the product, as mini game, test the test and everything. But I mean, to have a call with them, to have a podcast with them, I need to have enough subscriber and everything. So by the way, if you like, just like the video and subscribe to the channel. It will be good. I think it's something necessary to say, right? I mean, every YouTuber say it inside some video, so it probably makes sense and it's probably useful for the data. We will see that later. So yeah, that's the point. So yeah, I decided to do this video now with this project and with probably this title and thumbnail you've seen, because today I had a pain point, and you know, when you have a problem and you don't find a solution, you need to do a product. And with the AI now, you can just do the product in one day. That depends on the product, of course, and everything. Clearly for the product, it makes sense. And it's a project I can do from 0 to 1 now in this video. That's why obviously my videos will be long video, hours of video. So we will see. I will even see if the record go for hours. I don't even know if it's working. It's my first video of my life, guys. So yeah, that's life. So yeah, let's present the project. Let's present what I'm doing. Well, let's present the problem I had today. So today I had a problem because I was checking live and everything, and in the chat I wanted to share my labyrinth link because it's my last project, and to share that link I had an issue because it's on the Play Store for the Android and it's on the App Store for the iOS, but I will not share two links. So easy peasy, I want just one link going on each link, depends on the device. So classic, we go on Google and we check. I will show you how it is. I will show you when you search that what you can find and everything, and we will see if it is something pertinent or not. So for examples, oh, you can check. Yeah, that's the point. I am doing everything in live, so you will see everything in live. I don't have any idea of what you will see. I will need to do a double check and everything about the about the private information I'm showing. I don't even know. Yeah. So for example, store redirect store app store link Android iOS. For example, some video, you know, link and everything, app flyers, wanting to adjust, and that's everything you find. So two examples, app flyers and adjust are just two amazing projects. But it's for big products. I mean, it's you need to configure it, you need to have it inside the app and everything. It's not something simple. I just want one link redirecting to the store, to the device store. It's simple. I don't want something too complicated. So app flyers and adjust are two big products, but too much big. So I don't want to do that. I don't want to configure everything. I just want my link. So the other solutions that I have, it is Linkly and one link to. So Linkly, I arrive on that and everything. Complicated. Come on. Okay, I go on connections, Linkly on the main page. I need to connect. Okay, no, it's not good. I go on the website, classic website. Okay, I go on it. Okay, so it's all powerful, it's used and everything. What I do, I don't have any idea what I am need. Okay, I need to return again. Not complicated, you see. So okay, I would go to one link to. Okay, the website is basicals. I need to start. So let's go. Oh, I need to sign up. And even here, I don't really understand what I need to do. If it will be easy or painful. If it is a small product or app flyers equivalent product, so something huge. No idea. So that's my point. That's the first Google page. It's not possible. You cannot have that. You need to have something really simple. And in my examples, in my mind, I have some product like WeTransfer, for example, where you want to share a file. You go on WeTransfer, you upload your file with your email. Easy peasy. No need to register and everything. You arrive on the page and you know what you need to do and you get the results. So that's my idea. A simple product where you arrive on a page, you have a title, a subtitle, and two search links. one for the App Store, one for the Play Store. You search your app on it, or you copy paste your URL in it. You have your two. We have your two store applications link. You add your email, you click on generate, and you instantly have the link. The one link. Easy peasy. Nothing, no need to be complicated and everything. So that's the idea. That's the idea. That's the problem, and that is my solutions. So too much complicated to create a one link to go to the both store. Let's just do a product to do it easily. So like that, I'll be able to use it easily for me, and I will be able to sell it probably. We will talk about that later, because after that, I obviously did Claude Co-work syncing. So I just, oh yeah, so I am French, so a lot of things will be in French, but don't worry, I will now write in English and everything. But just to show you, I just explaining, talking with Claude Co-work about the project and challenge it and find some solutions, some features, some updates, some improvements we can do and everything. Even the domain, I search for it. So yeah, that's the point. So I just described it with Claude Co-work, and I will do a quick resume of everything I found. And I did that today just first. So in one day I will do the product, because I am sure at the end of the video the product will be live. So that's the point of this. It's amazing. Yeah. So the product will be simple. The product will be the page I described it you, the title, subtitle, the two search inputs for the Play Store and the App Store, the email. After that, you directly have your email. The email will be available for something like 20 hours or 7 days, and you will receive an email. With this email, you will click on the link to validate your email and activate the link forever. At the moment you clicked on the link, your link is alive forever for free. Easy peasy. 5 seconds, you have a link forever. You can share it and everything. At the same moment, you receive another email who inform you that we have a dashboard for that to put your own domain on this one link, and that's all. It's same. So you can click on it and you arrive on the dashboard page where you can see some stats and everything. So stats are available for free during 7 days, and after that you just need to pay a few amount. I don't know exactly how for the moment, but probably something like $5 or 5 USD or 2 USD. I don't know, something like that. Not expensive. It's just a small link and everything, and some stats. Some stats like the countries, the number of visitors, the number of clicks, everything like that. Everything like that. At the same point, we are getting the information from the stores page with I don't know why music is getting up. Good. No idea. So, getting back, sorry. I don't remember what I was saying. Amazing. First video, sorry. Again, one time. So yeah, not expensive, really something cheap and everything. It's just a one link and something basic. I don't want something. So it's that dashboard. You obviously can create new links with new projects. Yeah, we configure the page, the redirect page, because we will obviously instantly redirect the user when the user goes on the link. But we also have versions where we will display a page the user to be able to click on the button to be redirected. For example, for TikTok description and everything, that is necessary because TikTok don't accept direct links to the App Store or to the Play Store. So that's the point, that's the reason. And with that, that page will directly be configured with the logo of the app, name of the app, and everything. That's the project, that's the point. It's, I think, really easy. And obviously with Claude Co-work, something sounds obvious. It was the marketing of that. The marketing, it's a cheap product. I cannot do ads, I cannot do things like that. So I cannot do pay acquisition. So I will do basic acquisition with SEO and GEO. So SEO, it's ranking on the Google. I want to be the top one in the Google for the main keyword and everything. I want to be the top one. Easy peasy. You see, I don't want something complicated. And the GEO is the SEO, but inside the AI. The main point is that the people who do application and everything are mostly using AI for the moment. So if someone asks the AI how I am doing one link stuff, I want the AI to propose my solutions first because it's better. So that will be the marketing way I am going to. Sorry, I never speak too long like that. So yeah, that's a project. So I talked with I talked to Claude Cowork or like that. He proposed me a lot of solutions and everything, even tech solutions. That's also why you see CloudFlare there, because Claude Cowork is advising me a lot to use them products for a lot of reasons. For the redirect, I can do it directly from the DNS and the CF worker. So if the CF worker can do it directly, they are not passing by my app. So it's not incoming request and everything for me. It's nothing. It's nothing to see, and it's obviously faster for the redirect. So it's better user experience. So it's perfect. Obviously, I don't do logging. I do a no password link. So you put your email, you receive a no password link. You click on it, you are logging on the app. Easy peasy. Same. The goal of everything of all of that, it's to do simple things. It's to make it a simple way possible for the customers. So yeah, we have the stack, we have everything. After that, I asked Claude Cowork to do a rhythm document, and he did it. So we have everything, and we have all the steps we will follow soon. We will start. Don't worry. I'm explaining a lot, and maybe I'm not really precise and everything. Probably I will need to do some kind of script for the next videos. I did one. I did normally one, not a script, but some main points I need to say, I need to talk about and everything. But finally, I'm just talking. I don't like to follow things like that. I like to talk. I will just need to practice by doing more videos. Let's be honest, this video will never be seen. I don't think this video will do buzz or something like that. If someone sees this video, it's probably thanks to you, but it's probably because a lot of new videos are out and you come back to see the first video of the channel. But yeah, let's be honest, nobody will see it, but it's a good practice. So yeah, we also with Claude Cowork, we also find a domain name because it's important. As my focus is on SEO, the link name, the domain name is really important. That's the point with Claude Cowork. Claude Cowork can go on with the extensions, Chrome extensions of Claude. Claude Cowork can work on your navigator, on your browser. And on your browser, he can go on some registrar like CloudFlare and everything and check if the domain is available. He's happy to do everything and check if it's available. So we found some domain and some good domain, to be honest. And I was surprised that they was still available. So today you will see me by the onestore.link domain. It's perfect. onestore.link. I cannot expect better than this one. Just onestore.app. Probably I will not buy it today, but it is one domain I will probably buy later. The onestore.link, it's expensive domain. Not expensive because it's still available, but it's a 2035 USD by year because it's considered like a premium domain. That's why the .link make it at that price. That means it's a good one. But honestly, when I seen it, I was so surprised. I mean, I take it for 1 year. If the product don't work, I don't renew it next year. But if it is working, 235 by year, it's not expensive. product and good SEO bonus, because clearly this domain is a bonus for the SEO. I hope you will find it interesting, because you will see me doing everything, buying the domain and doing the website, the configurations of the domain and everything. You will see me doing everything today. So, but you probably see the time and the duration of the video, so you're aware already that it will be a long video. But honestly, if you focus what I am doing for the probably next 3 or 4 hours, you will see exactly how to develop a full product by yourself with all the access everyone have. I mean, okay, I have the 200 USD Cloud subscriptions, but I mean, it's because I'm doing a lot of projects in the same time and everything, but and never reach a limit. You probably can do it with a 20 USD one, for if you just want to do a product. So I think we can start. So first I will need to buy my link. So I will try to talk a lot and explain what I am doing to make it kind of interesting and everything, but I'm not aware to be talking at the same time I'm doing things and talking about other things. So I will try it, but again, one time, first video, so be nice. Classical, I would just purchase it. As I told you, okay, it's kind of expensive for domain, but I don't think it's that much expensive for the quality of the domain. Honestly, I never had that quality domain, that kind of quality domain. I don't know how much it's bad to show you all of this information. You will have my number. You will have everything. Oh, I registered my card before to be sure. You will not see it. How do is that? I always put the renewal, because it's even more bad if it is don't renew automatically than if you just forgot. Always. Let's go. Yeah. Normally I don't buy them on CloudFlare. Honestly, I buy them on OVH. It's a French registrar, so it's the one I'm using since I am a teenager. But as I will be using a lot of CloudFlare products. It makes sense for me to use it. Yeah, and honestly, I never use the CloudFlare products. I will be using CF. I will be using D1. I will be using another one. I don't remember which one. But yeah, I never used that CF Worker. I never used that product. But there is one rule. The tech and the stack are only for the product. It's not your choice, it's a product choice. Nothing else. I never use them, but clearly it's the most powerful tools I can use for this product, and the one who will cost the less and everything. So no choice. Use them. Easy. You never need to say, oh, I prefer this one, oh, I know this one. We don't care. The product don't care. The customers don't care. If this one costs you less and is the same performance, if this one is better performance, you use it. Nothing else. Even more with the AI, no, because the knowledge is on the AI. You don't need to know it. You don't know it, no problem. You will just put a prompt and you will have information about how to do it. And if you still don't know it, just take a screenshot and put it inside the AI, and you will have the answer. So, I have my domain, as you've seen. So yeah, what are saying that? So yeah, I'm using Cloud Cowork, but for the development, I am using Cloud Code inside VS Code directly. My background is tech, so I like to see the files and everything, and to sometimes send it by myself and everything. It's easier, and I can understand what the AI is doing and everything. So that's why I don't use CLI, but I know it's an improvement I can do for future. But even for the video now, it will be more interesting for you to see what is doing the AI and the files and everything than just dams with my face. It's like, uh, so yeah, same things. AI is explaining you how to use it. So now I just ask Claude Cowork to give me the prompt for Claude Code. Why I will do a prompt who is not full and everything, who don't explain everything. I don't need it. I just give it to Claude. Easy peasy. I will have the Stripe things to do, but I will obviously not do it during the live. I will put fake IDs because for one simple reasons, the privacy. I don't want you to see everything. I already sent my phone number and my email. I don't know if it's good to put that inside videos, but you see them now. Oh, I will need the DA too, obviously, yeah. Honestly, Cloud Code is doing things in a really well way. Yeah, he's answer. I told to him in English, but he's answering me in French. I'm really sorry. Oh yeah, I asked him also to give me some advice. So you can see, but some advice about what I need to say to you when I am live. So now I am live and saying me, it's a good moment to show you. To show you, I'm asking him a prompt and everything. Oh, wow, that's a good. That's a big one. Okay. So he is going with me directly a .md, so it's a markdown format. But the point of that, it's I will just copy paste it here. You see, and I will just say to the Cloud Code read and apply it. You see, just simple. It's nothing. No need to do something complicated and everything. So now we will read it and do it. So the project will be simple. So I will have 5 endpoints, something like that for the API. Really simple, something to generate the signing, to generate the link, ask the stats, something simple. So a database, SQL database. SQL database and the front page and the dashboard page. So for now, I just say to read the file and to do everything. Honestly, he's doing code faster and better than I can do. And if you have a doubt of what he is doing, you can just at the end, you will see, I will show you what I do. At the end of the project, I just ask him to optimize it, to find how he can optimize it and make it better for the structure, for the maintainability, and for the performance. And just, that's the point of that. You can just ask him. You can just ask him. I don't want that to be, that's a problem when you show that guy. So you see, I was saying it's a problem when you are doing live, and I think it's my point is, I do nothing now, I'm just showing Cloud, so I don't know if it's interesting or not. But no problem, no problem, no problem. You see he is creating everything, some package, apps and everything. You choose the technology React and Next because it's, I think, the best. Honestly, it's the one I know, so probably use it for that, but I think it's the best one for that kind of use case. It's a really good developed language. So I don't have any problem with that, and Next is really optimized for SEO. So it's perfect. Honestly, I'm also a bit sleepy because I am awake already since 23 hours now, and already 2 nights ago I already didn't sleep. So it's kind of complicated, but we will do it, don't worry. That's a problem, that it's as it is that much easy to do some project and to do things that I don't even want to sleep sometimes because I just want to do. I mean, the difference between doing and not doing is just the time now. It's not thinking, money, other people having employees and everything. No, it's time. If you have time, you can do everything you want. And for small time, you can do a lot of huge, sorry, of huge things. Huge things. So, what it say to me? Everything is built, and here's a summary. Monorepo, get, else, check, slug, look, worker, utilities, create. I think it didn't do the front end. Honestly, I practically know. Oh, you see, that's the point. Sometimes you discover some things like plot correct, but don't build yet. So I just copy paste and say, time to. Give me the prompt to set him to build. Use modern and stylish, fancy design. I don't know how to explain it, but I want something new. As I will have few information, I want something stylish, you see. I don't know how to explain exactly, but yeah. Oh, I see, I can pause the video. That can be interesting. No, I mean, it's already 32 minutes. I will not cut it, so it's probably long for you. It's now long for me. First time, again, first time. I never speak that much, and I'm worried that there is blind during the video, so I'm talking too much. So you see, I'm just doing some road between Cloud Cowork and Cloud Code, just asking Cloud Cowork from all the information he have about the project he was talking about to give me some prompt to put it into the Cloud Code. And it's easy. That's how I learn the project. Either I'm just focused on Cloud Code and I do the optimizations by myself and everything, and just asking him by myself with the prompt of Cloud Cowork. But for all the basic, he have all the information. So all the information I exactly need to put inside the Cloud Code. So why don't ask him? See, that's what he did. A full Cloud file of 200. Imagine I need to write 200 lines? No, I don't think. So I just have it in 1 second. So it's easy. Perfect. You see what you see? What you say? How to ask? I just copy paste the name. I say him to read and to apply. Easy. Again, one time easy. You will see the result. Honestly, it's always a random things, but normally I always had something amazing. It's really. I only in one project I had bad results on the design and everything, but in every other project I had so amazing stuff. So we'll see. Oh, a bit sleepy on this scene. Sorry. I don't know if I want. Honestly, now I'm asking myself if I want to continue and if personal branding is really an important thing for me and everything. Because honestly, I would be really shy to share this video. I mean, I'm not a public person for now. I hope to be, normally. And I don't know. It's weird. I'm French also. It's not natural for us to speak about us. It's not, then speak about our project and everything. It's really far from our educations. So, yeah. What to do, what to do. I will need to find other occupations during the Cloud is doing things. I will be honest, normally I am playing a game at the side when I'm doing Cloud Code. So it's winning time. That's the point of Cloud Code. The AI is doing the work, so you can just do other things, and mostly I just do some video games during the time. So I just find some video games you can just use on everything, or turn by turn or stuff like that, where you can just swipe between the AI's chat to work and the game. Oh, let me think. Do I need some Instagram page and everything for the project? No, I don't care. SEO. Okay, yeah. No, yeah, clearly. Just SEO will be clearly enough. And as you see, oh, again, sorry. Again, sorry. As you see, he's also creating a file named LLMs.txt because it's a file that AI are looking for each website, and it describes how they will answer, what they will say about the product to the user, and everything. So it's really interesting. That's the first step of Geo. I'm directly doing it in 3 languages: English, French, Spanish. Simples. Honestly, Chinese is not a market I know, and they have everything in one app like WeChat and everything. So I don't think it makes sense. So for the moment, as it's a market I didn't know, and as they have WeChat and everything, I'm not even sure it's a product they can have interest to. I just don't do it. It will be the slug preview. Okay, so we are at 37 minutes of the video, and I'm already sleepy a lot. It's crazy. Probably I will pause it and do it a new one tomorrow. But honestly, I don't want to edit the video, so even past to link to video, I want to do that. I don't. It's better because I want something natural and everything. I don't want overcut and everything. That's a clear point. But there is also a point that I don't know to do video editing, so I don't want it because I also cannot how to do it. But with it's not real because with the AI I can ask it and it can do cut for me and everything. So as for the shorts, I will ask an AI to do the shorts from this video. So yeah, no, it's not a real thing. So the main reason for that is I want something natural. You see, I don't want something over. Yeah, I want to be myself, and you see a project from 0 to 1 instantly. I don't even know what he is doing. Come on, sorry, it's not respectful. Let's drink a bit of coffee. Funny joke. Before to discover Cloud Code, I stopped the coffee, and now as I just stopped it really during 1 or 2 months. So no more coffee, was feeling good and everything. But since I discovered Cloud Code, go back to coffee to do like that. No sleeping night and everything. It's not good, clearly not good for the health and everything. But come on, all my projects are going so fast. I probably did 4 years work in 2 months. It's like crazy. Oh, he is checking. We'll probably be able to test soon. Honestly, I was thinking to do something like that video and everything with an avatar. But as you can see with the reactions, I'm not an avatar. I would like to be an IA avatar because I need to show your face and everything, but no, yeah, I think so. In my opinion, with all the AI and everything, I see video like that, I think the real person, the real personal branding from real people will be good points in the future. You see, because when you will want to see something natural and everything, and you will be more able to link with people. It's so long. Probably you will see me playing games soon in the videos. In the videos you will see some dev, some marketing, and some gaming in the same time. No, joke, of course, but yes, it's less long when you play. Oh, sorry for that. It's really too much now. When you see he's fixing by himself and everything when he tests, it's just easy. He's the FAQ. And yeah, that's also the good point with the AI. Now it's with that process and everything, you discover some features and some content and everything after it's done. Before it was you think and everything, you overthink, you do it line by line and everything. So of course you know everything. But no, I just discover that, for example, recent link. So him ID it's to show all the recent links who have been created with the app to as a social proof. I mean, it's amazing. It's amazing. I mean, I don't even add that ID and everything, and he's just doing it, and I am discovering it after it's done. Um, oh, he's using PNPM. No, yeah, he's NPM, but as I said, I don't care. So let's check how it's looking. Oh, interesting. That sounds a bit simple, no? Hmm. Oh, you see, by the way, my first idea was to put URL of your app directly inside the website, but now the idea was, come on, we have access to the store, so let's search inside the store. So you see, I'm searching inside the store my. Sorry. Uh, I don't find my own project. I'm looking for my labyrinth. Okay. Okay, you see this one is not working, so I will directly tell him the Play Store do not work, and I will search I will just, so yeah, sorry, I'm still not aware to search it. I was just, yeah, sorry, I was saying I'm still not aware to talk while doing things. That's why sometimes I cannot focus on the both. I'm really sorry. But I was searching my URL to just copy paste it because honestly, on Play Store, the app is validated since 1 week, but I had some problem with iOS versions because they did some review and everything about the ads and everything. So it took more time, and it's live since today. That's why I probably don't find it in same research. I had the same issue in the ad mob. Donc, so Google was not doing it on the iOS store. I don't know, no problem if my search don't find it. But you see, he is finding it there. So. It's alright. Tutka is doing work at the same time. So probably some issue. Oh. Oh, the favicon, I need to change it. And I need to have a logo. And I was expecting something like a purple cloud in the background, you see? But yeah, I'm just doing you see, the good point is I just take a screenshot and copy paste here. Easy. I need to see something complicated and everything. Yeah, I'm trying to spend my time to check it while he's fixing the issue. It looks like it's working at all. Let's stop it and start it again. I didn't did the npmi to install the package. Maybe that's the issue. But I let code check. I try to don't overthink. So the dashboard, because if you forgot how to access to dashboard, you think you are here. Multiple language, easy. I will ask him to do in the background of the hero. I would like to have a full width and fluffy cloud in the main colors of the website. I just prepared my prompt for the next steps, and when Cloud will tell me he finished it, I will just push this prompt. And send him this prompt while I'm testing what he did before. So he never stopped working, and while he is doing something, I just test what he did before. It's a good way to swipe and to win time. Work everywhere. Smart redirect. Yeah, but I will not have a website and everything, so I don't know if it's something I want. It's just look weird. Recently created. Okay. Makes sense. It's the last link and everything. I just need to merge it to link it to the real links and database. Some FAQ. Everything sounds perfect except that. This, I don't know if I want the slide to be updated. My idea is to take the name and to snake it, the name of the app, and to snake it, to put it in the slug, and to increment a value if it is already taken. Not to make it customizable. Probably in the dashboard will be good. Here it's like asking you something I don't want you to think about. Just I give you the link and you shut up. Your email and the store. Probably we need to update the icons also. You mean the numbers and the search? Not that much good. Yeah, okay. It's now 49 minutes. I will finish that for things for my start of code coding prompt. But I think I will pause the video after, maybe stop it and do another one and link them. Honestly, I thought I was able to do it, but I think I'm just so fucking sleepy. Even with the coffee and the orange juice, it's not enough. So I will go sleep, and I will continue exactly at the same point tomorrow. And when I say exactly the same point, it will be exactly because I will just lock my screen and lock it tomorrow when I wake up. Easy. No, yeah. So yeah, he didn't do the dashboard, so we'll need to do it also. But no problem. I will ask him to do the dashboard and dash nothing. I prefer to do it step by step, and honestly, even that, it's enough. I mean, even that is enough to push it and after to make the dashboard and everything. The product can be also in some steps. We will do everything, but in some steps. You know what? Another point and another possibility. It's to create another tab and to ask him. Each tab have a specific context, so I don't like to ask them some same same things and everything, but because they don't have the design. But this tab is a design tab, for example, so it's good. And obviously, I don't ask them to. I ask them some tasks. I know they will not use the same files like that. We don't have any conflict and everything. Okay, I have an error and a runtime, so I will just stop it and start it again and see what it is doing. Yeah, he's searching and he's finding it. Amazing. Yeah. You see how sleepy I am when I look crazy like that? My own one. Okay, this one is finding itself directly. Okay, maybe I can. You see, that is amazing. So if it is like that, probably good point. Because if you have propositions directly, you don't have to think about it. So my issue was the user need to think about the slug you want inside him in link, but less the user need to think, better it is for your conversions. So I wasn't wanting that, but if I do propositions, it's amazing. After that, I can update it if I prefer it to just be labyrinth and checking if it's available. That's amazing. You see, it's doing things. Honestly, if I was coding by myself, never I would be doing something like that because it's too much work for better, but not amazing, and don't. It's not break. Can change. You see, just saying that. And he will work on it. He has some issue. He's doing some SVG and something like that sometimes. He's not that good for now with that. But even that, it's better than the dark one. Oh, I do multiple videos. Videos one, and each one 1 hour. I don't know. No, I wanted to have a video, one project. Because clearly better. Yeah, I still don't have my. Oh, interesting. You see? Sorry, I don't. I just when I'm doing something like that, like prompting and everything, I'm not able to talk at the same time. I need to practice that. That's the point of this video also. But yes, so no, the design of the cloud is really not good. So I asked him to find one on internet, a good big cloud, beautiful, and to update the colors. So still not find one good SVG on web that you modify colors. Yes, and in this one, when I put maybe it's because I didn't find it. It's better when you search by yourself what is a bug, because if you know what is a bug, you don't have issue to explain it to Claude Code. See, the more information you have to give him, more precise are your information, better he is, because you don't have to search for himself by himself. So here you see when I copy paste URL in the input, he don't search the name to fill the URL slug. Easy. So both are working. One are searching for Cloud CSVG, and the other one going to implement the way to get the information from the link, I think, to put the store one. Oh, I have another part, but you see, for example, here I have another one, it's your email. So I will search that directly to see in the code, your email. Oh, hey, makes sense. Not makes sense, well, it makes sense, don't care, honestly, don't care. This, and it's a type email. I wanted to have it like an email and dash line, but oh, he find it. Because now when I have an answer that he find it and he have it good. So I need to have more visual information. For example, when he found the app in the store, you also can display the icon. And don't forget the check on the input color, check and color, because if it's green it's better on the input when you found it. Easy peasy. Yeah, don't look that interesting. It's 58, probably I will stop at 1 hour. I am so fucking lazy. Sleepy, not lazy, sleepy. I'm really sleepy, clearly. I will just finish my orange juice and my coffee. And I think when I sleep, after drinking coffee and being really sleepy, I do amazing dreams, really. Dreams, clearly I do that. It's amazing. I did my, before I was not dreaming, but now I'm dreaming, and my dreams just so good. We'll see what he's doing. Don't know. Yeah, maybe I'll need to find some things and activities to make it more interesting. Probably the way to play during I'm coding. What is my real process and my real workflow? maybe it's something who can be interesting on the app, on YouTube. I mean, the people who just want to focus will check what Claude is doing and will try to understand what I was doing and what I did during playing. But the one who are like me, a bit lazy now, to just wait, they will have an occupations, and it's a good potential marketing to be the playing developer. I don't know. Done. Okay, dokie. So if I found it on the link, I need to restart it, but I'm just waiting that. Yeah, you see, we have some issue. Oh, he's still searching the cloud. Okay, honestly, in that time, if I was not sleepy, I would go to Google to search it because it's better. For that kind of stuff, you need to check the line of code of the FZG and everything. And you don't want something like that. You don't want something too much complicated. When for ourselves now, we're better for like that. We will see an image, we will know, okay, this one is what I want. Copy paste, easier. For some point like that, the AI still have some issue. I mean, not issue because he's doing it, but it's more complicated for AI than for us for now. So let's capitalize on that. But I have my domain. That was the most important. So yeah, you see, that's the game I did. You see, you have the 9 tiles. Just easy. And you find the chest. That's my little labyrinth. It's a good game, honestly. It's really useful. And you can play without connections, so you can play in the plane. Interesting. Can download it. I will put the one link inside the descriptions of the video of course. The one link it is. The onestore.link. Yay! For my domain. Amazing domain. So now, yeah, I will just run it because I want to test because while it's finishing. Any stuff and as it is just design, it will probably not break the stuff. So he's checking. Oh yeah, we have checked. You see, I told him not really visible that how to do anything, and he had everything. The developer, even the developer adds the app icon, everything, and I can delete it. What is the name probably doing something there. Right. When the link already have been added and delete, we don't have the confirmations design. Anyway, yeah. That's the point. I'm going to sleep 10 minutes ago and I'm still doing it because each time you have a little prompt to improve what you want to do. So it's like loop, an infinite loop. It's amazing. Honestly, it's wow, surprising and the whole thing, but it's good. I love it. So keep had it's not a cloud, but honestly, I don't care. It's acceptable. I will see for the design later. For now, it's good. The kind of thing, it's simple. But I can do something more flashy, but it look professional. It look also up there, marketing. The way to be black, blue, brown. So it's not that bad, but you know. You know. Yeah, I'm sleepy. No, yeah, I'm sleepy. Okay. Sorry. Just finishing that one. I told you it's a fucking loop. Ah oui, oh putain, je peux embêter pour ça. L'input, email, prends pas mon dash line. Oh no, there is a point. Maybe you don't have information. I disabled it on local. So it was not, it was just, disabled. Sorry, I received an alert notification from Dubai because I'm in Dubai now. Yeah. And you still have the Iron drone and bomb, so sometimes we have notifications on the phone. So I copy, I passed. I have my validations. I delete, I copy, I pass. I have the validations. I copy, I passed. I have the validations. Copy, I passed. I have the validations. I search it. The logo is not a good one. And this one I have the good one. Honestly, that's not a big point. I will do some optimizations with that later. And you have all my email, amazing. I think I need to do something for the privacy. I don't want to check everything. No, I don't care. It's my email. Even if your email and your cold email are interesting, I will read it. If it is not, we'll go in spam like every time. So, I have everything. I can get and create. And create it. I click. It's not working because it's not connected to CloudFlare, obviously. I will check my emails. Reflex. I don't even know why I didn't. Next steps. I will sleep and after come back. So tomorrow for the same time, want to connect CloudFlare, to connect the domain from the DNS, and to connect resend. And after that, oh yeah, and to improve this design, because you see, it's doing a good work. It's so long. I need to change my computer. It's a good one, but MacBook Pro and everything, not enough. Just because it's using a lot. You see here, it's not the name and everything. While here, I have the real name. I have the developer name. Yeah, just have the slug. It's not what I want. I want the real name and everything. So, okay, we have the first prompt. You know what? I will even, in the Play Store input, I want to display the same informations than in the app store input. Name plus developer. Here, now I just display the slug. Yeah. I don't know why here I don't have the icons, and this one is not the good one from my app. Why when I copy paste the link, I have the good one? So good questions. But yeah, okay, you see, my prompt is ready. Now I can stop it, pause it, and see you in